Alright peeps, so we are done now. The header is installed. I'm gonna show you guys how that looks. Not yet started to car up, so you guys and together with me, we're gonna listen to the sound soon. I have not yet started up, as I said, so just finished. Let's take a look. There we go. So that's the header. Recently installed. The O2 is just fitting, but it's okay. So we are gonna do a small drive POV. Not sure how much horsepower this is gonna add. I don't know. I don't even know the sound. I don't know if it's good or bad. I mean, I think we will hear it all together. So, I think in this case, I'm gonna set you guys up here and putting this right here. Oh man, it's really about time that I get something on my windshield. So annoying. Alright. Wow. First time in my life getting a header on an 800cc engine, 3-cylinder. This is gonna be as loud, I'm pretty sure. So, first of all, let's make a short drive POV, and in the meantime I think I'm also going to the store to get something to eat or some, I don't know. We'll see, but I am pretty sure this is gonna be loud. I already extended the piping on it, so enjoy it, guys. windows now and let's see how it sounds from the inside. Oh, that's very good idea. Guys, first time for me in my life to get headers on, and do you really need a ECU tune for headers? You get the answer. No, you don't. The car is driving perfectly, no sputter, nothing. How much power it does have now, I don't know, but definitely it does have more, because I can feel its strength. This header is going from 3 to 1 collector, so that's very nice. Have a unique sound. I do like it, really. Especially on this RPM. It does a little bit sound like a Porsche 911 or something like that. I don't know, but it definitely sounds good. Guys, is Thunder exhaust worth it? Yes, it is. Not just only because of the sound, but hey, I mean, this is sounding so good. Wow. Man. God, geez. This is definitely sounding so good. I never expected it. I mean, yes, I do definitely feel the power of the car has been increased. I mean, when it's cold, it's more burbly, because I have the header on there with a piece of pipe. Not to make it too extreme, because I couldn't use the catalytic converter. So I'm still wondering what I'm going to do with that. But for now, it seems like a well done solution. Yeah, well, I hope you guys like the little drive POV. For me, it's just measuring and measuring and measuring. What did we actually gain in horsepower? I don't know if my device can measure it, because it's actually, well, measuring via fuel. So I don't know. In the past, I did a measurement with the supercharger, and yeah, more air means more fuel. So then it could be measured. But if it's going to be the case in this scenario, I don't know. Even if I'm a little bit more, well, as you guys can hear, yeah, you know, a little bit, I wouldn't say unhealthy, but definitely I need to be a little bit more healthier, because my nose is closed, and already 4 or 5 days I'm not feeling